Welcome to this comprehensive tutorial on avoiding inline functions in React JSX. In today's dynamic web development landscape, performance is key, and understanding how to optimize your React applications can make a significant difference. Inline functions in JSX, while convenient, can lead to serious performance issues over time. This tutorial will explore why avoiding them is crucial and how you can enhance your React projects by adopting best practices. Whether you're a new developer or a seasoned React pro, gaining insights into this topic will empower you to build more efficient, scalable applications. Let's dive into the theory behind why inline functions in JSX can be problematic. Inline functions are easy to write directly within your JSX code, but each time your component re-renders, a new instance of that function is created. This leads to unnecessary re-renders because React performs a shallow comparison to decide if it should update components. With inline functions, the function reference changes every time, triggering these updates even when they are not needed. This increases the workload on the garbage collector, which can degrade performance, especially in applications with frequent UI updates. By understanding these underlying mechanics, you can make informed decisions to improve your application's efficiency. Now, let's look at a practical example to illustrate how you can avoid inline functions using the use callback hook. In this example, we have a simple counter application. Instead of defining the increment function inside the JSX, we use useCallback to memoize it, ensuring that the function identity remains stable across renders. This approach not only prevents unnecessary re-renders, but also optimizes your component's performance. Let's go through the relevant part of the code. In this demonstration, we'll explore how avoiding inline functions affects the performance of our React application. Imagine you're interacting with a real-time data dashboard where efficiency is paramount. As you click the increment button, the count value updates smoothly without unnecessary re-renders. The use callback hook ensures that the function reference remains the same, demonstrating how this technique can optimize performance. This efficient rendering enhances user experience by providing a responsive and fluid interface, especially important for data-intensive applications. In conclusion, while inline functions in React JSX may seem straightforward and convenient, they can lead to significant performance bottlenecks in your applications. By adopting best practices such as using use callback, you can prevent unnecessary re-renders and improve the efficiency of your components. Embracing these techniques will not only enhance the performance of your applications, but also contribute to a cleaner, more maintainable code base. As you continue to develop in React, remember to consider the impact of your code on performance and strive to implement solutions that provide the best user experience. Thank you for watching, and happy coding!